Goodbye, Aunt Josephine. No, I never knew you at all. You gave me a VHS copy of Legends of the Fall, with a note saying, listen, I know you might not be a fan, but Brad Pitt just hits different, even if you're a straight man. And it seems to me you lived your life like a sandal in the fridge, a leftover shoe by cold stew and old kale salad. And I would have liked to known you, but I was just a kid. Your sandal grew mold long before the condiments ever did. Relish. Your fashion was off, but not as off as the things you said. You wore a leather jacket with tassels over the moo-moos you wore to bed. At your sister's wedding, you were openly toking spliffs. In your speech you spoke of orgasmic bliss, how the groom could hope to please your sis. And it seems to me you lived your life like a sandal in the fridge, never knowing